How to upload and share files in folders on Dropbox. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device. After opening up, you need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Dropbox. So in order to upload files and folders on Dropbox, first you need to tap on the files option, which is right next to the home in the lower button, and from over here you'll be able to see the options like upload files, upload, create a folder, scan, take a photo and everything. So in order to upload files, you have to tap on the upload file option, and from over here you have to select the file that you want to upload. It will take a few seconds to minute depending upon your internet connection to upload. You can see my file has been uploaded. So in order to save it, you have to simply tap on the file. After that, you'll be able to see the share option, or there is also copying link option right next to the share in the right bottom corner. You can simply tap on link and the link will be created and copied to your clipboard. You can also tap on the share option in the right bottom corner, and from over here you can send the link to the other medias and send a copy of file and copy a link. And by following this simple step, you can upload and share files and folders on Dropbox. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.